ever heard somebody snoring? Listen to this. Did you hear this? It is awful. You cannot sleep next to a person who snores in this manner. I mean, this was 96 kilohertz. It's like an airplane flying over your head. It's unbearable. So, does the snorer notice? Not always. His partner does. The whole family does. The neighbors do. The whole building. And in the end, also your dog wakes up barking because you had this explosion to gasp for air because your brain was out of oxygen. You know what? This is a very dangerous situation because this going underwater becomes longer and longer. And so your brain has a lack of oxygen, bigger and bigger, and that's not healthy. So you're risking health problems. You have to resolve it. There's no doubt about it. The solution is very simple. You come to Studio Moll. We have this fantastic device you wear during the night, and we'll visit you and we'll see if you're a candidate. We have treated so many patients and they are so happy and so relaxed, and everybody is happy in the family because the snoring has been resolved. And thank you for your attention. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you, snorer.